Hi, my name is Shafika, and today I would like to show you simple tutorial on how to do attendance for your students for a class attendance. Yeah. All right. So first thing first that you need to do, you need to go to your search engine and you click OBE UMS because UMS now the class attendance is no more paper based, it's online. So we are using this OBE system. So you go to this OBE, so it will bring you to this page. If you're UMS staff, then you can just use your email ID and password. But if you're a part timer or external user, so you click this one and then use the ID and also the password that have been given to you. Yeah. So you sign in. So once you logged in, okay, so you can see here on the left side, there's a menu, right? So you click the second one, my course COPO. Okay, so in OBE, your section is not automatically listed here. Yeah, you have to take manually for your section. All right. So how to take your section manually before you give attendance to your student? So first you go to click me. You see here on top here. For new subject, please click me to search and import as from SMP database. So you click me, then you enter your course code in the text box. So what subject you are teaching? For example, like me, I'm teaching oral communication. So my course code is UB00202, right? And after that, you click, don't forget to select the semester that you are currently teaching. So you see this magnifying glass, so you click it, and currently we are teaching in semester 1 2023 and 2024, isn't it? So this is it. So you click select, right? Once you confirm everything and then you click search, so it will load all the sections, including the ones in KK and also the ones in Sandakan and Lab 1. So for Lab 1, our sections usually will be down below. The first one, the top ones are the ones KK sections. Yeah. So you scroll down until you see your section and your name. You just have to make sure that your name is assigned to the correct section. Yeah. Okay, my section. So you see, I have a section 104 is my section. Yeah. So you see, I have this is my section. Okay. You see, 104 is I have one, two, three, four, five. Okay. So you don't have to click all five to take it. You can just click the first one of section 104. So the reason you have five here is because you see these are different program. Okay, so for example, UH63 for 3002, I have one student registered in this program, five students registered in this program, 12 students registered in this program. Okay, that's why, because they are specific, specify according to program. So you can just take the first one, right? So for example, this is my 104, so you take the first one, so you take it. Okay, so your section, the subject, and also your name. So click take it. Okay, you take the course, so it will bring you back to here. It will bring you to here, right? So you click my course COPO again. Here you see your section is already there. It's already listed. Yeah. Okay. So how to do attendance or how to give attendance to your students? So once you have taken your section, yeah. So if you want to give attendance to your student, you go to attendance. You click here. All right. So here you see add slot, right? So this is the student checklist, meaning these are the students that are registered in your section. Okay, so you have, in order for you to give attendance to your students, you have to click add slot first. But in order, before you do that, you have to make sure the date and the time for your class. Yeah. So let's say my class is tomorrow. Okay. Sorry, my class is on Tuesday. So this one you no need to change because we are all lecture. We are doing lecture, right? So Tuesday is 10, so it's 10 10. Okay. Um, and my class is on 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. This one no need to click. So make sure you check and make sure you choose the correct date for your class and also the correct time. So your class will be night, yeah, most of you. Okay, once you confirm that, so you click add slot. Okay, so you see here, this is first class, yeah, first class. Okay, so you have 24 students in the section. Okay, so you can go to student attendance to see their names, right? 0/1, meaning they still haven't attend any of your classes yet because my classes is on Tuesday. So I just do it this very early on. Okay, I have 24 students. Right, you go back to the course. Okay, so once so in the class later, all right, so once everybody has settled down, once you sure that everybody has entered the class, yeah, so the easiest way for you to do, all right, you click this show QR code. Okay, so you show QR code to the class, and then after that the students will log in to the OBE system as well, and then they will scan the QR code. Okay, once they successfully scan the QR code, um, the over here, okay, it will change, yeah, the question mark will change to A. Here it's still question mark because they still hasn't scanned the QR code. Okay, so let me show you once they successfully scan the QR code. Okay, this one. Okay, you see, once they have successfully scanned their QR code, if they attend, right, so it will change the question mark to A. A means attend. Question mark means they don't attend. Okay, so when you see question mark like this, meaning they are absent, okay, from the class. All right, so another thing that you need to know, yeah, the first week until the first until the fourth week, yeah, it's a end and drop session. Okay, so within this the first 4 weeks of your classes, there'll be students dropping or adding, all right, so there'll be no confirmation of students yet until week 5. So you are advisable to check on SMP, right, on the current list of students. Okay, and the list in SMP and also the list in OBE, they are not automatically linked. Okay, they are not automatically linked. So within the first 4 weeks, you have to check your SMP whether there's a changes of students in numbers, and also you kind of like have to recognize their names at this time lah. All right, so let's say I have one student, For example, like Nor Wahyu here, yeah. So in the SMP, when I check SMP, all right, Nor Wahyu is no longer in my section. But in OBE, Nor Wahyu is still in my section. Okay. So what you can do is that you can remove her. Yeah, you can just click the button remove. Okay. And then after that, you import students from SMP. So after you remove her and then you click import, then the list will be new again. But it even you click the import students from SMP, the previous attendance be they won't be affected. Okay, they won't be affected, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so you have to be aware, all right, from week 1 until week 4, right, students still do add and drop session. In order to accommodate their timetable, they still, in the midst of rearranging of their timetable. Okay, so we don't really have a confirmed name list until week 5. But after week 5, you may also need to once in a while check your SMP, because sometimes there are special cases where students drop because of personal issues, and sometimes they didn't even tell you. But usually some students, they did tell you, right? I mean, some students, they do tell you. Okay. um so that's how you give attendance to your students. Oh yeah, actually there are two ways of you show attendance to the students. The first one, just now, the QR code. This is the advisable one. Yeah, I would advise you to show QR code. Okay, so those students who are in the class at that time, they can immediately scan their QR code. Another one would be link. Okay, but why I not advising giving the link, right? Unless it's something that you cannot avoid, yeah. Because in the link, once you share the link to your Telegram or WhatsApp group, okay, the students who absent during that day, okay, can click the link. Right, let's say you didn't really check your students, because we don't really have time, especially if your classes are you know big numbers. Okay, so you don't really have time to manually call out their names. No. All right, usually we kind of like trust our students, but it happened. Yeah, it happened in our class, in our previous classes before, in my class as well. Okay, so students who didn't attend the class, they were able to click the attendance. All right, the link that you gave um, in the Telegram or WhatsApp group. But if, let's say, you have to give the link, okay, let's say you have to give the link during that week. Okay, it's not like you cannot give the link. You can, but it's just that there's a pro and cons between scan QR code and also the link. But if you have to give a link to your students, okay, so you click this link. Okay, so you see here, there's a link expire, right? Okay, so let's say your class is at 7 p.m. So you want the link to expire before your class is 7, so 2 hours, right? Or 3 hours. So let's say your class is 2 hours class, so 7 to 9. So you want the link to expire before 9. So you click here at PM. Yeah, you change. Okay, once you change to the time that you want, make sure you click update. Okay, and then you copy this link. No need to regenerate link, yeah. You just copy the link. So the link that you have copied just now, you paste it on the you paste it in your WhatsApp or Telegram group, and then the students can click the link, right? And just like QR code just now, once they click the link, the attendance is recorded, are recorded, yeah. So those are the two ways how you can give attendance to your student, either show QR code, which is this one, the easiest one. I mean, both are easy, but advisable would be the QR code ones. Yeah, but if it's unavoidable that you have to give link, then you can also give link. Okay, so that's it. All right. If hopefully that this tutorial, through this tutorial, you understand how to go about doing your attendance, giving attendance to your student. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. So thank you so much. Happy teaching. Bye.